How was your weekend?
It was great. I went hiking with some friends. What about you?
Nice. I just relaxed at home and binge watched some TV shows.
Sounds cozy. Speaking of shows, have you seen the latest episode of Game of Thrones?
Not yet. I'm a bit behind. No spoilers, please.
Don't worry, lips are sealed. So, what are your plans for next weekend?
I was thinking of trying out that new cafe downtown. Want to join?
Sure. Sounds like fun. Oh, and remember that concert we talked about?
Yeah, the tickets are on sale now. Shall we book them?
Absolutely. Let's grab them before they sell out.
Hey, did you see the hilarious meme I sent you?
Yeah, it cracked me up. You always find the best ones.
Glad you liked it. Have you decided what to do for your birthday?
Not yet, but I'm thinking of having a small gathering at home.
Count me in. We'll make it a blast.
Awesome. Can't wait. Oh, and speaking of parties, did you hear about Emma's birthday bash?
Yeah, I got the invite. It's going to be epic.
Definitely. We should get her something special.
Agreed. Let's brainstorm some gift ideas together.